female Asiatic black bear raises 2 lively cubs. Highly adapted to a female Asiatic black bear raises 2. It's believed that Asiatic black bears became climbing trees. Their 5-centimeter long claws provide a good grip. Huggers after thousands of years sharing the forest with tigers. But the bears aren't out of the woods yet. Well, this male checks on a deer he killed a few days ago and stashed under a tree for safekeeping. A creature of the night, he finds daytime unsettling, or ever will. The Amur leopard. About 30 remain in the wild, making it the most critically. He'll return to it later. Endangered big cat. Tonight, a keen-eyed flying squirrel spies the secretive. This male checks on a deer he killed a few to slow him down. By caching food, he can return again and again. It's dangerous for him to overeat. It rounds. They have been systematically hunted for their coats and bones. And as the forest declines, a carcass like this can sustain him for 2 weeks. A male Amur leopard can grow to 3 meters and weigh 48 kilograms. The world's rarest big cat slinks back to his den. So does their natural prey. The sea otter. He's safe for one more night. Ways create a patchwork of temperate and subtropical climates, allowing an abundance of creatures to thrive. Even giant blood-sucking mosquitoes. In a calm river pool, frogs play the dating game. To avoid a plague of frogs, different species stagger their mosquitoes can't break the amorous mood. Tadpole army shimmers in the backwaters. Safe air breeding throughout the spring. Already on the shore, sandy footprints expose a 50 in numbers means some of the mass must survive. By day, they enjoy the view and wait. Blackerston's fishing owls. Treetop and waits for attention. Cover of night. The fluffy chick secures itself in a broken. Its parents send a reassuring message. We'll eat at sundown. After winter hibernation, they've got their own dinner to think about. With so many frogs, chipmunks days, so they forget. They bury food all the time, but chipmunk memory span is only 3 days. Some look for an easy meal, boards are and have to search relentlessly. hoping to find something. Abundant, they spend more time resting and sleeping in between meals. As light fades, it's quicker to raid another's full pantry. In the spring, when food is abundant, owls stalk the river near their nest, close enough to keep an eye on the chick. The adult Blakistons, this allows the chick to watch and learn from the masters. Adults may stare for hours before pouncing. Having waited all day, the greedy chick gobbles down the fish. And demands more. His parents, which make highly effective strategy. The adults to hunt in earnest. He needs up to 4 fish per night, every night, so he'll grow strong enough to fledge after 50 days. Plus, the parents have to fill their own bellies too.